The capybara hydrochirus, also known as carpincho or shigire, is a mammal belonging to the Cavidae family, the same family that includes other rodents like guinea pigs and cavies. Native to South America, it holds the title of the world's largest rodent. This detailed description explores the capybara's physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, reproduction, and its interactions with humans and the ecosystem. Physical characteristics. The capybara is unmistakable due to its size and unique appearance. Adults can reach 100 to 130 centimeters in length and a shoulder height of 50 to 60 centimeters. Their weight varies considerably. Males generally weigh between 35 and 50 kilograms, while females can exceed 60 kilograms, though this difference depends on factors such as habitat and diet. Its body is robust and elongated, adapted for movement both in water and on land. They have a large, slightly square head and a broad snout, giving them a friendly, gentle appearance. Their eyes and nostrils are located on top of the head, an adaptation that allows them to see and breathe while submerged, much like other semi-aquatic animals. The capybara's fur is dense, rough, and short, ranging from reddish-brown to grayish-brown on the back and lighter on the underside. Although they lack a visible tail, their limbs are essential for their movement. Their hind legs are somewhat longer than their front legs, facilitating movement in wet environments. Additionally, their feet have partial webbing between their toes, which helps them swim efficiently. Habitat and geographic distribution. Capybaras primarily inhabit South America, although they are also found in parts of Central America and some regions of southern North America. They thrive in areas near freshwater sources such as rivers, lakes, marshes, and ponds. Their habitat ranges from Panama in the north to southern Argentina, spanning diverse ecosystems including tropical forests, savannas, wetlands, and floodplains. Capybaras are highly water-dependent and prefer to live near rivers or swamps, where they can easily find food and shelter from potential predators. During dry seasons, they move to areas with higher water availability, while in rainy seasons, their distribution area may expand. Their swimming and diving abilities allow them to navigate their surroundings easily and help them avoid predators. Behavior and social life. Capybaras are very social animals, typically living in groups of 10 to 20 individuals, although in areas with abundant food, they can form groups of up to 100. Each group is usually led by a dominant male, who establishes hierarchy through interactions with other males and controls access to the females in the group. Females and young also form part of the social structure and often care for each other. Their behavior is gregarious and cooperative. Within the group, capybaras spend much of the day grooming each other, which strengthens social bonds, reduces stress, and keeps their coats clean. They generally have a peaceful demeanor, with few cases of aggression among individuals unless resources are scarce or in stressful situations. Capybaras are both diurnal and nocturnal, though in areas where they are hunted, they tend to become more nocturnal to avoid human contact. During the day they spend most of their time grazing and resting near water, while in the afternoon they often swim and cool off. In the hottest hours they rest in the shade or in the water to stay cool and avoid dehydration. Diet and feeding habits. Capybaras are strict herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, though they also eat herbs, fruits, and some aquatic plants. They prefer soft, young grasses that are easier to digest and contain more nutrients. Occasionally they consume aquatic plants and algae when land-based food is scarce. A notable feature of their diet is their practice of coprophagy, meaning they eat their own feces to maximize nutrient absorption. Since their digestive system cannot extract all the nutrients in a single pass, ingesting their feces allows them to gain essential nutrients and benefit from bacterial fermentation in the hindgut. Capybaras play a crucial role in their ecosystem by consuming and recycling large amounts of plant material, helping to balance vegetation growth in wetlands and other areas they inhabit. Reproduction and life cycle. Capybara reproduction is seasonal and often synchronized with the rainy seasons in many areas of their range, maximizing the survival chances of the young by ensuring abundant food and water when they are born. Females typically reach sexual maturity between their first and second years, while males take a little longer to mature. Gestation lasts around 150 days, and females usually give birth to litters of 4 to 8 pups. The young are born well-developed and able to move and eat vegetation within days, though they depend on their mother's milk during the first few weeks. Care for the young is shared within the social group, with other individuals helping to watch over and protect them, which increases their survival rate. This cooperative behavior is one of the reasons capybaras are successful in environments with predators. Predators and defense. Capybaras have several natural predators including caimans, jaguars, pumas, eagles, and anacondas, which may prey on both young and adults. To avoid predators, they rely on their keen sense of sight, hearing, and smell. In case of danger, they emit alert sounds and quickly seek refuge in the water, where they can remain submerged for up to 5 minutes. Their main defense is their speed and agility in running and swimming. Additionally, when in a group, capybaras can protect each other and deter predators from approaching the young. In some cases, the presence of a dominant male and other adult individuals helps discourage smaller predators, such as foxes or birds of prey. Interaction with humans. Capybaras have a complex relationship with humans. In some regions, they are considered a food source and their meat is consumed, particularly during Holy Week in Venezuela, where its consumption has been authorized due to a shortage of other foods. However, excessive hunting and habitat destruction have threatened some local capybara populations. Despite hunting pressures, capybaras have adapted to human presence and in many places, can be found near human settlements, in parks and nature reserves, and even in some agricultural areas. In cities like Brazil, capybaras have even begun to inhabit urban parks and green spaces, where they coexist relatively peacefully with local residents. Capybaras have also become a cultural and tourist symbol in some parts of South America. Their friendly appearance and social behavior have been leveraged to promote ecosystem conservation. In countries such as Argentina and Brazil, capybaras are used as an attraction for ecotourism, helping raise awareness of their ecological importance and the need to protect their habitats. Ecological importance. Capybaras play essential roles in the ecosystems they inhabit. By consuming large amounts of vegetation, they help control plant growth and prevent the overgrowth of certain plant species in wetlands. Their presence also benefits other animals such as birds and small mammals, which utilize the plant remnants they leave behind. Additionally, capybaras serve as a food source for multiple predators, and their abundance helps maintain the balance of predator populations in their environment. In areas where capybaras are overhunted, shifts in the food chain have been observed, affecting ecologically important species. Conclusion. The capybara is a fascinating animal that plays a crucial role in the ecosystems of South America. Its adaptability, social behavior, and ability to thrive in both aquatic and terrestrial environments make it a unique and resilient species. However, hunting and habitat loss continue to threaten some populations. Capybara conservation is essential not only to protect a charismatic species but also to preserve biodiversity and the ecological balance of the wetlands and savannas they inhabit.
If you're passionate about animals and nature, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and leave your comments. Together, we can reach more people and keep discovering and celebrating the beauty of these amazing creatures. Thank you for being part of this community.